Guys, welcome to the Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and today we will see how to disable shutdown option from the Windows 10. In my scenario, I have provided one server to the remote user and I don't want to provide a shutdown option to the user because if user shut down then it may create issue. So your scenario may be different, but the solution would be the same. So let's see how we can disable shutdown option so that user cannot shut down the machine. Let me open the control panel to show you how many users I have right now. Currently I have 3 accounts. First one is admin from which I am logged in right now. Second one is another administrator account. I created this for a testing purpose so that I can show you. Username is test admin. Another account is a local user account and username is test user. I want to remove shutdown permission from this both account, this admin account as well as this local account. So let's see how we can perform this. Open run and type gpedit.msc gpedit.msc and click on OK. In this page, click on Windows setting and click on this icon. It will drop down. Then drop down the security settings. Then click on local policy. Then user rights assignment. Once you will click here, lots of options will pop up on your right screen. Select any one and press S from your keyboard and you will directly go to this option, shut down the system. Open this. Here you can see that shutdown permission is given to both administrator and user. If you want to remove shutdown permission only from the user's account, which are not administrator, you only need to select users and click on remove, click on apply and OK. But in my case, I want to remove shutdown permission from administrator account as well, but I have one more admin account on which I want to set this permission. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this group. This is a group, not a user account name. I'm going to remove this and I'm adding manually my user account on which I want to give a permission. Click on add. Click on add. Go to the advanced. I'm searching for the user only, so I'm unchecking all these options and click on find now. This is my username admin. Clicking on OK. The meaning of this rule is this admin user only having the shutdown permission, and apart from this, remaining user cannot shut down this machine. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to restart your machine. Now system has been restarted. Now let's see whether we have shutdown option on this admin test admin account and test user. So here you can see that if I'm clicking on this power button, so it's showing there are currently no power option available. So guys, if you are liking my work and efforts, so as your appreciation, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video with your new concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.